Thank you for joining us at Radio Free New Hampshire. Today we will be unboxing the American-made Smith Wesson M&P 9 Shield Plus TS. TS for thumb safety. Like many firearms today, the shield consists of a polymer frame and a metal slide. Smith & Wesson offers the shield in several calibers to include 9mm, 380, 40 Smith & Wesson, 30 Super Carry, and 45 ACP. Each caliber is offered in various configurations, including basic EDC white dot night sights, optic-ready models, and some fiber optic sights as well. This pistol is a basic EDC model, defined by Smith & Wesson as a micro-compact. The original shield was released in 2012. I own one of the early models, and it has been my everyday carry for years. The 2012 model in 9mm has a capacity of 7+1 in the chamber, or 8+1 depending on the magazine and desired concealment level. In 2021, Smith & Wesson released the Shield Plus with a capacity of 10+1 and 13+1, and only increased the thickness marginally, less than 0.2 of an inch. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, as we will be producing a comparison video of the two models side by side shortly. As you can see here, both magazines are included in the box, along with a chamber plug and a cable lock. The shorter magazine makes for easy concealment even in 9mm, and as mentioned before, the Plus takes the capacity from 7+1 to 10+1. With the magazine in place, the shield fits nicely in my hand. I wear an extra large glove, and I have only a little overhang at the bottom of the grip with the shorter 10-round magazine, none with the 13-round magazine. At the range, the firearm is lightweight and nicely balanced and easily accurate at 15 or more yards. I encourage you to consider the M&P Shield Plus for your next EDC pistol in the caliber of your choice. Reliable, comfortable, lightweight, and easy to conceal, now with increased capacity over the original and still one of the thinnest pistols out there. Thank you again for joining us at Radio Free New Hampshire, and for our new series on the Smith & Wesson M&P 9 Shield and Shield Plus.